Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to block someone on your Snapchat application, open your Snapchat. You will appear on the Snap section where you can take snap and send it to other Snap users. Swipe to the right side of the screen. Click on the icon of a person to whom you want to block or long press on person snaps, then click on Manage Friendship. Among the options popped up, click on Block. Confirm blocking person by tapping on Block once again. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.